For animal management, we offer two different options. We have the zoo and wildlife conservation and the pet behaviour and welfare. For the zoo and wildlife conservation, we focus more on zoo animals and the conservation of our wild species. So we have modules dedicated to how zoos are changing and how those developments are advancing forward to give graduates a nice overview of current topics within the zoo industry, but also in terms of conservation, thinking about those current issues, how we tackle them, and what skills are needed to really create impact into the future. For the pet behaviour and welfare, the name kind of gives it away. There's more of a focus on pets, particularly canines. So our students will be working with the pet behaviour clinic, focusing more on dog behaviour and potentially working with clients there as well. With those things said, there are some common modules where we focus on aspects such as nutrition, of biology, of breeding, equipping students with not only theoretical experience and knowledge but also practical ones. This course is quite unique in that we have a number of different facilities available at ARU Writtle. We have the Titchmarsh Centre, which houses a number of small animals that students can study. They learn their husbandry, their biology via hands-on sessions, and we have a whole host of animals there, everything including hamsters, gerbils, reptiles, all the way up to capybara and alpacas. There are livestock modules, so you can get out and about on our own farm here, where we have a whole host of livestock including pigs, we have sheep, we have cattle.
So with the facilities, it has been giving me opportunities to do things like lambing, so it's given me opportunities to develop skills in that sort of sense. It's given me skills to work with different species. It's also given me opportunities to develop my lab work skills as well. I did initially have some lab work skills, but it just helped me develop them a bit further.
Students are looking to get involved with a certain area of expertise, we've probably got that person on standby. I myself, as I said, am a specialist in genetics but also in ecology. We have people that are specialists in nutrition, in pet behaviour, in conservation, or work with our zoo partners. And so depending on the student themselves, their own career aspirations, their goals, there is support available there to help those students gain those skills, to make those connections and to hopefully thrive in those environments. There's the opportunity, of course, that when it comes to dissertation time, to go ahead and work with our zoo partners such as Jimmy's Farm and Colchester Zoo to undertake research and to try to make a difference for those animals that are within those collections. On the conservation side of things, we have close ties to organisations such as the Essex Wildlife Trust, the RSPB and others, again which could provide opportunities for students to go out and work with in the future. Thank you for watching everybody, and if you attend one of our open days, please do come say hello because it'd be great to meet some of you before you apply to our courses. Goodbye.